Hey guys, let's make some spam fries using flour, egg, and panko. Slice your spam into fingerling size. Season your flour with items of your choice. I use chili powder and pepper. Get your egg wash ready and set some panko or breadcrumbs into a bowl. Dredge your spam into the seasoned flour and shake off the excess. Dip the spam into the egg wash and transfer into the panko. Cooking time is around 3 minutes. Spicy brown, plain yellow, hot and spicy ketchup, chili paste, sweet baby Ray's barbecue sauce. Spam fries. Give them a try.